Hello everyone. So today I am solving one problem of isomorphic string. What is isomorphic string? Isomorphic string is a string in which if we replace all the character of string s and get the string t, then at that time string s basically called the isomorphic string of t. Means all the character of s will be mapped with like all the character of t strings, and no two different string can map the same character, but a character may map itself. So this condition are called the isomorphic strings. Let's you can understand here f value mapped with b and o mapped with a. Then at that time o never mapped with r because two different character not mapped with the same character, but one character can map with itself. So basically I am using here hashing concept to map the all the character of t string with the character of s. So let's solve this problem. So I am using here concept of hashing. What is using hashing? So total ASCII characters are there 256. So I am here created one array of integer as array created of size 256 and initialize all the inside value is 0, and one also created is mapped checker of size 256. This is also initially will be 0, and here we'll run loop for int I is equal to 0 to I less than s dot size and I plus plus. Why run I less than s dot size? Because I went to map all the character of string t with s characters. So we have need to mapped with the on hash table which is created here. So this due to this I am running s dot size. And one important constraint here given you need to be read that t dot length is equal to s dot length, because if t dot length means character means string length of t is not equal to string length of t, then at that time we can't map all the character of s with the t character, all the character of t. So at that time this is not a isomorphic string. For a particular string becomes isomorphic string, we have need to map all character of given particular string with the other string. If length is not equal, then we can't map all the characters. So this is we cannot get other string by replacing all the character of particular string to other string. So we have need to the length of all string equal. So this condition also given here. So we have not need to take in edge cases of this case. So this is very important case. You need to remember this. If not given here t dot length is s dot length, so we have need to include it at that time. If not equal, then at that time we have written to false, because this is not a isomorphic string if length not equal to strings. And one thing also, it is contain any valid ASCII character. Due to this, I am creating 250 size array. So let's here write this again. Condition: if hash of s of I is equal to 0, and basically I am checking any character present in hash table or not. If not present, then mapped. If present, then be not mapped. And is mapped of t of I is equal to 0. This case arises, then be map hash of s of I is equal to t of I, and again I am create is mapped of t of I is equal to 1. Basically we mark one checker. I am added this t of I character mapped with s of I string. So due to this I am marked here is mapped t of I is equal to 1. And one thing also you need to take care of this: whenever you write s of I, then at that time this character will be automatically typecasted to type of int ASCII value. Whenever I am assigning t of I, it is automatically converted to type of int, and when to character of this ASCII value we need to typecast. So it automatically happened in C, C++, or Java. So basically I am mapped with all the t of I character with hash of s of I. So we have need to proceed further for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot size I plus plus, and one condition here including here, if hash of s of I mapped characters, we have need to typecast also, because this is storing all the value by typecasted in by default integer. So typecasted is equal to not equal to, if any time it is not equal to t of I, then at that time we have need to the return false, otherwise we have need to the return true. So run this code and see the what is the test cases pass or not. Yeah, accepted. So let's submit this. Yeah, you can accept this code. So what is the time complexity of this code? You can see that in worst case, this loop will be run big of size of the given string s or t, because size of s and t are equal. So this loop will be run size of the given string. Means we can say that if size of a string is n, length of a string is n, so this loop will by default running in worst case scenario big of n, and this is also running big of n. So what is the overall time complexity in worst case? Big of n is upper loop running, and plus big of n below of loop will be running. So overall time complexity comes to be big of n. And what is auxiliary space? Auxiliary space, auxiliary space, you can see here I am using constant space 250 sites. So auxiliary space will be big of n, not taking any extra space, it is also big of n. So hopefully you understand the isomorphic string problem. Is very important and logical example to for understanding wise, but problem is very easy, only understanding is little bit tricky. So we solve this by using hashing. So hopefully you understand. Thank you.